Ladies and gentlemen, it is hard to stop a train. Here we have a Trane Furnace. Weirdest thing about this furnace is actually matched up with a Goodman air conditioning system for some reason. New Trane humidifier, pretty cool. Not much to see here, of course. A new duct system. This must be installed. And the hot water tank looked like it was installed on April 10th, 2015. As a Ream performance. Oh, we have a Ream as well. Yeah, this furnace doesn't look that old. Look like the manufacturing date is from March of 2007. Yep, definitely not that old. Anyway, let's go check out the air conditioner. Here we have a Goodman air conditioning system. Weird to actually think about the fact that there's a Goodman matched up with a gas furnace. Sorry that there's a dog. It's funny. I don't know if John Goodman ever invented this kind of company. I don't think it is John Goodman that made this company. Not sure when. Oh wait, I got the manufacturing date. It is manufactured somewhere in 2008. Might be July of 2008. It's my old neighbor's unit. Hello. Pretty rusty fan in there. Match with a GE fan in there. And there's the compressor down there. I'm on focus. Can't seem to focus down there. Okay, it looks like compressor is the skinny type one. I forget what they call it. It might be a something scroll compressor. Of course, got the Diversey Tech. Yeah. And the styrofoam looks like it's starting to wear off there. Installation there. But yeah, very nice. Anyway, thanks for watching.